Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve not uploading on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve not uploading on Telegram, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will click on Telegram and you can click. Sorry, not here. We go to Telegram app. Then you will enter to first step and you can click OK. Here you can click storage. After that, you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us, bell, like and subscribe.